Yeah, Mitembo Suubi. Now, you know my name is Mitembo. Yeah.
Barbie Kyagulanyi munange ne Bobi Wine bakigudeko munange side eno omwana waabwe munange ate Suubi munange abalungide munange eshabwe eside eno eshabwe eno eva mu baganda baffe bali ate naddala munange ate okuva eri mu ankole eside eno naye omukulu munange Bobi Wine yeeraliikiride eside eno nti omwana ono ali mutulabwira ebintu bino naye anaabitesitingako munange n'awulira obuwoomi bwabyo eside eno era nga ku side emu munange abalazi wali n'abalaga nti nno ssebo amanyi naye munange ate okubeera nga abitabulamuko wali n'atulaga ate munange byali mukozesa side eno wabula nga Barbie Kyagulanyi naye ng'ali eri munange mu background agamba bannange omwana ono taggwayo era nga bulaba munange mu katambi akabadde kakitsinga viral ate wali ku mukute munange ate gwa TikTok katusooke tulabe ate biki ebibadde mu katambi n'omukulu Bobi Wine eside eno.
Yeah, Mitembo Suubi. Now, you know my name is Mitembo. Yeah, and you know why they say Mitembo Suubi, why it combines both of us, I don't know, but I'm here to read the book. I'll tell you what's in it.
So what are you making?
I'm making eshabwe.
Eshabwe. What's this in the cup?
It's salt water, but it's also, but in Uganda it's called
I forgot.
It's Isura, I remember. Look how big it is. It's not supposed to be this right. Today it was actually ghee at first. It had to me. Should I pour some water? Now we minga.
Analya eshabwe.
Njakulya. It's getting white and white.
Yeah.
We should have done this in the village.
In the village? Yeah, they do it in the village. A lot. Tell her where I take it.
It kind of looks like porridge.
For now it looks like porridge because of the salt. You have to keep mingling as we add the water. So we're going to add plain water without salt.
Ooh.
You have to be careful. What did you say? Sorry.
Since it looks like porridge, I feel like it could go like like that.
It's not yet ready. Almost ready.
Ooh, look how clear it looks. I like my skin.
Clear like your skin.
But the difference, the color. Okay, I've mingled a lot, so I got shit on my hand. So I've mingled a lot, so we're gonna put our water. So this water has this let me get Baba, being here. This salt, which kind of looks like glucose, but not. And also this that I've been using all along has this salt that breaks down the ghee. But oh my gosh! But this salt gives that ghee flavor. So let's put in some.
Not so much.
Oh, look, bubbles. Bubbles.
Thank you for the light starter.
It's like I'm making ice cream. You should actually make ice cream.
Yeah, sometimes. But I do want to taste Suubi's ghee.
My special recipe.
Suubi's eshabwe.
Yeah, on food, right?
On the hand.
Give a test.
Little.
Yes. I will taste.
Yummy.
Let me give it a taste.
That's nice.
Tastes nice, but I don't like the taste of ghee.
I know, but I mean, how about when it gets to matoke?
Hey, that's when I'll destroy.
bwekyo nno munange ate bwe kitambudde omwana Suubi munnange bw'atyo taggwako munange ate byewunsa ate n'ebisesa alaze waayi nti nno ssebo asobola munange ate obikalanga oba obitabulamu munange esayidi eri ne gubeera muzigo omwereere era nga bulabye munange ate mu katambi ngenda kubeera nga nkomawo ate mu maaso eyo katono nnyo bwe nti